On-the-job training plan for PIA. In Create OJT Plan, select the sanction order from the drop-down. Select the training center. Select the batch list. When you select the sanction order scheme, the state PIA name and sanction order date will be auto-populated. Select the employer name. Select the workplace. Enter the department. Enter the supervisor name. Enter the number of candidates required from the total number of candidates for whom OJT is planned. Select the nature of OJT. Select the stipend to be paid. Click Save. If all the candidates planned for OJT are not assigned, re-enter the page and assign the remaining candidates to another employer. Assign remaining candidates. OJT Plan List and Update. Below, you can view the list of OJT plans.